Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. And someone in the comment section asked basically about buying physical metals. How do you do it? What's the best deals? What do you buy? And I've been investing, so I'll just give you my background real quick, which partially makes me qualified, I guess. I've been buying metals for a very long time, over 10 years for sure. I've been investing for, I don't know, 18 years, so probably 15 years or something like that, or more. I've seen the cycles, and what I've done is I vary what I buy based off of the price and the premium. The premiums also expand and contract with the price of the metals. So like a platinum or a palladium, you're much more limited. In a silver, you can buy a wide array of things where the premiums, I mean, they can be very small in some periods and they can just blow up and be gigantic. So I vary my purchases based off of the price and premiums over time. Now, when we were down very, very low, it seems like when nobody wants any of this stuff, the premiums all contract. So they all contract down and they're very narrow. Those premiums, like a regular round versus an American eagle versus a Chinese panda versus an Austrian Philharmonic versus a Libertad. I own all this stuff. I own all of it. That's just my approach. And when the premiums are really low, which they happen to be in 2018, 2019, I bought a lot of different various styles of silver in government issued coins. I even bought these little proofs. Some of the proofs were very cheap when I bought them. I'm trying to remember. They're kookaburras in they're very small in their diameter, but they're super thick. I bought some of those because I was getting them for I think they were like $24, $22 or $24 for a high relief proof at that time. And I bought a bunch. Like somebody was liquidating them. I bought a bunch. I think the spot price was maybe $18, $19, and I was buying them for 22 or 23 or 24, somewhere in that range. And I bought, I don't know, like 40 of them or whatever it was, whatever the person had. I bought basically all of them. I've bought in Chinese pandas when they were super cheap. So in today's market, what we're seeing is the premiums on the eagles are extremely high. I would not be buying American eagles. And I wouldn't be buying some of these other government issued coins. They're just too expensive. So what I do is I go to JM Bullion, and I'm not in any way related with JM Bullion. I'm just going to this website to show you guys how I would approach buying physical metals. I would just go to JM Bullion. I just go on sale, and these 2021 1 ounce silver kangaroos, $5.29 over spot for any quantity. That's probably going to be one of your best bets, just because it's any quantity. And I don't go out and buy 5,000 ounces in one shot. I'm not that high of a baller. I may buy a few hundred ounces or 100 ounces or 50 ounces or something like that. And if you go down 2021, I usually try to stick with kind of these like half ounce, 1 ounce. So I'll talk about that here. What I try to do is I try to buy around the 1 ounce area. That seems to be the most popular size. So when I go to sell it, it's popular and people want it. And a lot of people don't have a ton of money to go buy a 100 ounce bar. So 1 ounce rounds and up to about a 10 ounce bar is about the size I try to get. I get a half ounce. I do have some half ounce stuff. Half ounce, 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 5 ounce, and 10 ounce is what I go after. And in this type of environment, I just do whatever's the cheapest. And as a well-known government, either a government issued coin or a minting company like Silver Townie, Sunshine Mint, Haraeus, Johnson Matthey, goes on and on and on. Whatever those Scotia bars, Credit Suisse, was the other one that has the blue package, Pamp Swiss. Any of those are good. They're all good. So here I would probably just do the Australian silver kangaroo. That's $5.29 over. If you look at in-stock silver for JM Bullion, I don't know what this is per ounce, over $32.53 for these. That's if you have to buy. So this one is 33.43 or 32.98, depending on how much you get, or 32.78 if you buy 100 ounces. So I have Sunshine mints. I've got a bunch of this stuff. So I think those are good. If it's on sale, so that's 32.73 there. This is 33.43. Depending on how much you buy, I could be enticed to go with the Sunshine mint. Now, platinum bars, I would probably just do these 1 ounce platinum bar varied condition or the 1 ounce Valcambi. So probably just one of these for $12.67 or $12.92. And I would do Valcambi or the 1 ounce platinum bar varied in, condition any mint. I'm more about getting the ounces in my hands than I am about what's on it. I would say that we are in a high premium time, so I would go after whatever's the cheapest. That's kind of how I play it. In 2018, 2019, I was grabbing everything because some of these, the premiums grow with the price of the product. So your call here is the price of the premium increase on top of the price of the metal. Now, sometimes when you go to trade this stuff in, or if you were go to sell it, you want to, if you're trading it in, I would suggest going after like a Valcambi bar. If you're going to sell it in the open market to someone else, from a private individual to a private individual, it may be good to buy some, American Eagles, because it seems like American Eagles and Maple Leafs, they do very, very well when you go to try to sell them, like on Craigslist and whatnot. So I have done deals on Craigslist. I have sold some when I bought my house. I sold some gold, and it was pretty easy. It took me like 2 weeks to sell it. And I met in a bank. I met at the bank, my bank. I got the money from the person and I put it directly into the bank account, and then I left. It was that easy. So what I would be buying here is just the regular minted bars and coins. So Valcambi bar here is what I'd get for platinum, or this varied bar, any condition, this 1267. That's probably what I would pick. For silver, I would just do in stock silver here, and I would probably buy probably this 1 ounce Sunshine silver round. This at 42.13 for a 2021 American Silver Eagle. That's just too much. The premium difference of $10 between these two is far too much. So I would rather choose like this 1 ounce Sunshine silver round, this Silver Townie St. Gaudens. Just looking around, monster boxes are $19,000. Jeez. That's probably what I would buy. Yep. And then looking at gold, let's see gold here. Let's see what's going on. In stock gold. For in stock gold, I'd probably buy this Rand Refinery 1 ounce for $19.82. That would be probably one that I would be looking at. This Valcambi gold bar, that's another one I'd look at. That's $19.83. And then if there's any other ones that, like this Pamp Swiss, I'd do that one too. Any of those would be fine. And that's and I would buy over $199 worth to get free shipping, because why pay for shipping if it's free? So that's what I would do. And I've been in the game for a while. I had some really good buys on eBay. Not now, but way before, when the price was really low and nobody wanted it. They were offloading like American Eagles, Maple Leafs. They were like, I think my best buy back in the day was 19 cents over spot for like 1 ounce rounds from AP Mex. And then there was a whole bunch of other ones. It went up to 29 cents, 39 cents, 49 cents over spot. And then there was a bunch. I bought Eagles at I think it was 99 cents over spot. I can't remember what year that was. It was cheap. I'm trying to remember what year. Maybe it was $1.99. It was 99 cents or $1.99. It had a special. I bought a bunch, got that. and they would run these things every once in a while. There was a special on Canadian Wildlife Series. I bought a bunch of the wolf. There was ones with a bunch of privies that they just came out, kookaburras with privy marks on them. The snake. There was another one with the dragon, I think. There's one other one. I can't remember what it was. I think it was like a shark on it. And I bought a bunch of those because the premiums were like nothing at that time. In comparison, they had these huge sales. You could buy any quantity, and the premium was like $1.50 or $1.99 over spot. And I was like, well, I'll just diversify my holdings. And I bought a bunch of those, and now they're going for a whole bunch of money. I don't know. So that's good. That's worked out. If you guys like this content, if you guys have any other questions, please put it in the comment section. Let me know what you need help with. I'm here to help you guys out. And if you need any help, I'll create a video for you. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks for listening. This is Finding Value.